Good morning, students. Today our topic is simple interest. Now, students, we will discuss how we can find simple interest. To find the simple interest with very simple method, simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So how we can find simple interest? To find simple interest, we'll P into R into T divided by 100. So here, students, what is P, R and T? P stands for principal interest amount. P means principal amount. R means rate of interest. R means rate of interest, and T stands for time. For how much time we'll borrow the money. So how we can find simple interest? Simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Now here P is principal amount and R means a rate of interest and T means time. So we will write here principal amount, rate of interest and time, and by multiplying we divide all by 100. For this we can find simple interest. Clear, students? Now students, short form of simple interest is SI. SI means simple interest. Clear, students? Now simple interest is P into R into T. Students, now if we want to find principal amount, if simple interest is given, then how we can find principal amount? For this, simply we will write simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Now students, in second step we want to know the principal amount. अब आपको principal amount find करना है. Then how we can find principal amount is equal to, now here you can see we have two sides, left hand side is equal to sign, then right hand side. Now shift 100 on left hand side. If on right hand side 100 is divided, then on left hand side it will be multiplied. So simple interest multiply by 100 divide by principal amount of find करना है, then write P, rate of interest and time, R and T. Clear, students? Simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Now we want to know principal amount. अब आपको principal amount find करना है. Simple interest आपको पता है. Then what we will do, write on left hand side principal amount, then simple interest multiply by 100 divide by rate of interest and time. Next is third step. Now we want to find rate of interest. अब आपको रेट फाइंड करना है. सिंपल स्टूडेंट्स, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. नाउ रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आपको फाइंड करना है. नाउ डिवाइड बाय प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट एंड टाइम. P into T. Clear students? Next is time. Now we want to know time period. Simple interest multiply by 100 upon time आपको find करना है. So write P and R, principal amount and rate of interest. Clear students? Our first formula, how we can find simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. First is simple interest P into R into T divided by 100. Now how we can find the principal amount? To find principal amount, first we will write simple interest multiply by 100, then divide by rate of interest and time. Next is how we can find rate of interest. To this, first we will write simple interest multiply by 100, divide by principal amount and time. Next, how we can find the time period, that is simple interest into 100 divided by P into R. So next exercise is 8.4. 8.4 सॉल्व करने के लिए ये 4 formulas आपके टिप्स पे होने चाहिए. First is how we can find simple interest. एक्सरसाइज 8.4 सॉल्व करने के लिए बेटा ये 4 फॉर्मूलाज आपके टिप्स पे होने चाहिए. फर्स्ट, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज P into R into T divided by 100. Principal amount is simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by rate of interest and time. Then rate of interest, simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by principal amount and time. And last is time, simple interest multiplied by 100 divided by principal amount and rate of interest. Clear students? Now we will discuss few questions of exercise 8.4. Exercise 8.4, your first question is, first question, first part. First question is find the simple interest and also find the amount in each case. So here principal amount is then principal amount is rupees 350. And rate of interest is rate of interest is 11%, and time is 2 years. Now find simple interest and total amount. First we will find the simple interest. Principal amount is 350, rate of interest is 11, and time is 2 years. So simple interest is P into R into T divided by 100. So simple interest is equal to principal amount is 350. Principal amount is 350. Rate of interest is 11 and time is 2 years. Rate of interest 11 and time 2 years. Now students, divide by 100. Now students, solve this part. 0 से 0 cancel. 2, 1 are 2 and 2, 5 are 10. First 0 से 0 cancel. 2, 1 are 2 and 2, 5 are 10. Now 5, 1 are 5 and 7, 5 are 35. Now students, in simple interest, we have only 7 and 11. 7 multiplied by 11 is 77. So simple interest is rupees 77. Clear students? Now we will find the total amount. Total amount is equal to principal amount plus simple interest. Total amount paid by plus principal amount plus simple interest. Principal amount is 350 and simple interest is 77. Now add 7, 2 and 4. So total amount is rupees 427. Clear students? Now in this first question, first part, simple interest is 77 and total amount is 427. Clear students? Now first question, second part. First question and second part. Now our principal amount is 20,000. Principal amount is rupees 20,000 and rate of interest is 8.1 upon 2%, 8.5. Now students will solve. 2, 8 are 16 plus 1, 17. So rate of interest is 17 upon 2%. Clear students? Rate of interest is 8, 1 upon 2. So solve this part. 8, 2 are 16 plus 1, 17. 17 upon 2. So here now rate of interest is 17 upon 2%. Next is time. Time 4, 1 upon 2 years. Now students, so solve here. 2, 4 are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2 years. Clear, students? Now we will find the simple interest. Simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. Now solve. Simple interest, our principal amount is 20,000 and rate of interest is 17 upon 2. 17 upon 2 and time is 9 upon 2 years. Yes, students? Now multiply by 100. Now students, solve this part. First 0 say 0 cancel, 0 cancel. Clear, students? Now 2, 1 are 2 and here 100. Now 1 and 50. Now students, solve this part. We get 7,650. So simple interest is rupees 7,650. Now find total amount. Total amount is principal amount plus simple interest. Principal amount is 20,000 and simple interest is 7,650. Now students, add 27,650. So total amount is rupees 27,650. Simple interest is 7,650 and total amount is 27,650. Clear, students? Now first question, third part. First question, third part. Now our principal amount is rupees 648. Rate of interest is 16.2 upon 3%. Now students, solve this part. 16, 3 and 48 plus 250. So rate of interest is 50 upon 3%. Rate of interest 16.2 upon 3. Now solve this part. 3, 16 and 48 plus 250 upon 3%. Now time is 8 months. 8 months. Now students, now convert this into years. 8 upon 12. 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12. So it means time is 2 upon 3 years. Clear students? Now principal amount is 648. Rate of interest is 50 upon 3% and time is 2 upon 3 years. Now students will find the simple interest. Simple interest is P into R into T upon 100. So simple interest is 648 50 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Now multiply by 100. Now students, solve this part. 50, 1 are 50, 52 are 100. Now 2 say 2 cancel. Now students, 648 divided by 3. 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3 and 3. 216. Now 216 divided by 3. 72. So simple interest is 70. Our simple interest is rupees 72. Now we'll find the total amount. Total amount is principal amount plus simple interest. Now principal amount is 648 and simple interest will find 72. Now students, add. So total amount is rupees 720. So this is third part of question number first.